afternoon. My name is Rahul sir, and we are staff of Hosmart Hospital. My topic is RSI, Rapid Sequence Intubation. Today I take a class for RSI, Rapid Sequence Intubation. Now today I discuss about the step of RSI, Rapid Sequence Intubation. First step of Rapid Sequence Intubation is preparation. Preparation is the first step of the Rapid Sequence Intubation. In this step, first preparation. Preparation means all the items which one will be used in a intubation time. Examples of intubation tray, ampu bed, ampu mask, cannulization, sample, which medicine will be uses in intubation and extra. This is the preparation. Now after preparation, second step is pre-oxygenation. Pre-oxygenation means before the intubation, one step is pre-oxygenation. Pre-oxygenation means patient will be provided for the oxygen in a 100%. Oxygen will be provided approx 2 minutes. The first step is preparation. Second step is pre-oxygenation. Third step is pre-treatment. After pre-oxygenation, pre-treatment we will be used medication. Medication, which medication will be used?
Thank you.
Pre-treatment usage of medication. Medication, which medication will be analgesis. Analgesis medication will be used fentanyl 1 to 2 microgram per kg. And after sedatives we will be used midazolam will be used 0.1 milligram per kg. This is the third step of pre-treatment. Pre-treatment uses of medicine. Medicine is analgesis, fentanyl 1 to 2 microgram per kg, and sedatives midazolam 0.1 milligram per kg. Now after pre-treatment, I will discuss about the induction. Induction is the fourth step of RSI, Rapid Sequence Intubation. So induction time will be usage of medication propofol and etomidate. Which medication will be used in induction?
Supervisor.
Propofol and etomidate. Propofol 1 to 2 milligram per kg and etomidate 0.3 milligram per kg. This is the fourth step of induction. After induction, we will be fifth step of paralytic agent. Paralytic agent, that time we will be uses Rucorium, Articorium and Sucosol. Rucorium is the long acting agent and Sucol is the short acting agent. Rucorium long acting agent and Sucol short acting agent. Rucorium 1 milligram per kg and Sucol will be given 1 to 1.5 milligram per kg. When patient will be coming, this one will be is when advised for the doctor, short acting agent is Sucol will be given and Rucorium one will telling that time Rucorium will be given according to doctor orders and patient condition. Now after I will discuss about the paralytic agent is the fifth step. After will be sixth step will be positioning. Positioning intubation time, most of the important in positioning. Positioning is the sixth step. Patient will be provided for a stiffening position. A stiffening position is head will be down and chin will be up. This is a stiffening position. After positioning, patient will be placement of ET tube. ET tube will be placed correctly. After placement of ET tube, maintenance. Maintenance means fix the ET tube and fix the ET tube and check the ET tube correctly and not correctly. And last ventilator will be connected and vent circuit will be connected. This is the full step of RSI. One more thing is the after I will discuss about the contraindicate. After I will discuss about the Sucol, contraindication of Sucol. Means which patient will be not given to Sucol.